Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, grade 2. So today we will talk about topic 6, lesson 1, regroup 110 for 10 ones. Regroup 110 for 10 ones. How can you use tens and ones to find 23 minus 6? How can you use tens and ones to find 23 minus 6? So what are you asked to do? To get the difference of 23 minus 6. Let's draw using tens and ones. The first number is 23. So I will draw two lines, one, two tens, and then three in the ones, one, two, three in the ones. Okay, minus 6. So I will draw 6 in the ones, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have here 23 minus 6. 23 minus 6. Can I say 3 minus 6? Can I subtract 6 ones from 3 ones? No, I don't have enough ones to subtract. So again, can I subtract? Here, look at the equation. Can I subtract 6 ones from 3 ones? No, I don't have enough ones to subtract. So what you will do? I exchange 110. Can you see 110 rod here? 110 for 10 ones. Okay, let's do it together. Here, I will cross. I'll cross here. 110, cross it. So I have 110, and the 110, I crossed it. I will exchange it in 10 ones. 110 equals 10 ones. So I will exchange it to 10 ones. Here, 5, and 5 more. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 5 and 5, 10, instead of 110. And don't forget, at the beginning I had 3 in the ones. Okay? These are the ones. I will not change them. I just replaced 110. I exchange it with 10 ones. So now I have how many? How many I have in the ones? In the ones I have 10 and 3 more. Minus the same number of the ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, do I have enough ones to subtract 6 from? Yes, I have enough. How? If I will cross here, I have here how many altogether? How many ones? I have 10 and 3. I have now 13. I have 13. Yes, 13 minus 6. You are right. Equals 7. So now I have how many ones left? I have 7 ones left. And then how many tens left? I have 1 10 left. So if you write the equation 23 minus 6, 23 minus 6 equals 17. How? Again. I will make 23 2 tenths and 3 ones. Okay? And here I have 6 ones. Then I can't subtract 6 from 3. I can't subtract 6 ones from 3 ones. I don't have enough ones to subtract. So what you will do, I will exchange 1 10, okay, for 10 ones. 1 10 for 10 ones. So how many ones do I have now altogether? How many ones? I have, okay, let me circle it. Here, can you see now? These are the ones. How many ones altogether? 13. So 13 ones minus 6 ones equals 7 ones. And how many tens? I have 1 10. So 23 minus 6 equals 17. Okay, you got it? Turn the page. Let's do page 324. 324. 324. Turn the page. 324. Look at the bridge up. Okay? I want you to find 34 minus 6. 34 minus 6. Show 34. Here, 34. 1, 2, 3 tenths and 4 ones. If I want to subtract, yes, 3 tenths. So how many tenths are in 34? Yes, 3 tenths. I want to subtract 6 from 4 ones. Can I subtract 6 from 4? Do you need to regroup to subtract 6 ones? Yes. How do you know? How do you know that you need to regroup? Because you can't subtract 6 ones from 4 ones. How come? I can't subtract 6 from 4. 6 is greater than 4, so I can't subtract. So what you will do, I will do regrouping. So I will regroup 1 10 as 10 ones. Exchange 1 10 here, this 10, cross it. I exchange it, okay, for 10 ones. So how many ones are there after you regroup 1 10 as 10 ones? I have now 14 ones. I have 14 ones. So can you subtract 6 from 14 ones now? Yes. Now there are enough ones to subtract 6. How many tenths are left? I regrouped 1 10, so 2 tenths are left. How many ones are left? I will subtract 14 minus 6, so 8 ones left. So that's why 8 in the ones and 2 in the tenths. One more time. Do you need to regroup when you subtract 5 from 44? 44 minus 44 minus 5. Can you subtract 44 minus 5? We need to regroup because there are only 4 ones in 44. So I can't subtract 5 from 4. I can't. We don't have enough ones to do subtraction. So what you will do, I will subtract. I will subtract using the regrouping. So I will regroup 1, 10, make it 10 ones. As I am saying here, it will be 33 in the tens, 14 in the ones. Okay? 3 in the tens, 14 in the ones. Why 14? because I regroup. 1. Here, I take away 1, 10. I regroup 1, 10 for 10 ones. So now I have 14 in the ones. If you will draw, you will have 14. And you will have here 3 rods of tens. Minus 5. So 14 minus 5, okay, equals 9. And then you have 3. So 44 minus 5 equals, yes, you are right, 39. Clear? Okay? Okay. Now let's see whether you will choose a group. Do you need to regroup? Yes or no? The first one, 35 minus 8. Look at the ones. Here I have in the ones 5, and here I have in the ones 8. So do we need regrouping? Yes. Why you need to regroup? Why? We need to regroup because we don't have enough ones. We don't have enough ones to subtract. Okay? So why do you sometimes need to regroup when you subtract? Because sometimes the number of ones I am subtracting is greater than the number of the ones I am subtracting from. Here, the number of the ones 8 is greater than the number in the ones here 5. So I need to regroup. I need to regroup. Number 2. I have here in the ones 3 and here I have in the ones 6. If this number here, the number of the ones is greater than this number, no need to regroup. I have enough to do subtraction. So 6 minus 3, yes, without any regrouping. 6 is greater than 3, no problem. We don't need any regrouping. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. And then 4. In the tens, we didn't regroup any tens. So here we did regrouping? No, we didn't do any regrouping. 62 minus 4, 62 minus 4. If I will tell you here how many in the ones, I have 2 in the ones. And here, how many in the ones? 4 in the ones. 2 is greater than 4? No, 2 is lesser than 4. So, can you do subtraction? No, I can't do. I need to regroup to subtract 4, okay, from 2. I need to regroup. How can, so first we need to regroup. Yes, we need regrouping. What's the meaning of regrouping? I will exchange 110 from 6, so now I have 5 left. I have 5 left. 110 from 6 and exchange it as 10 in the ones. Now I have 12 in the ones. 12 in the ones. So 12 minus 4 ones equals 8. So the answer is 58. One more time so you will get it. 50 minus 7. 50 minus 7. I have here 0 in the ones and here I have 7 in the ones. 0 is greater than 7? No, it's lesser. So I can't subtract 7 ones from 0 ones. So what you will do, I will exchange 110, so 5 becomes 4 because I will exchange 110 into 10 ones. Now I have 10 in the ones. Yes, I have 10 in the ones. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. We did regrouping? Yes, we did. We did regrouping. Why you did regrouping? Because 7 is lesser than 0. So you can't subtract 7 ones from 0 ones. You can't. Okay? So again, why do you sometimes need to regroup in subtraction? Because sometimes the number of ones I am subtracting is greater than the number of the ones I am subtracting from. Like this example. 4 is greater than 2, so I can't do subtraction. I have to regroup 110, make it 10 ones. Now 12 minus 4 equals 8. Turn the page. Page 325. One more time. Look at the ones. How many in the ones here? 1. How many in the ones here? 2. So 1 is greater than 2? No, 1 is lesser than 2. So what you will do? I will do regrouping. How you will do regrouping? I will exchange 1 10, so 8 becomes 7. I will exchange 1 10, okay, into 10 ones, so now I have 11 in the ones. 11 minus 2 equals 9. So the answer is 79. This is the difference. How many in the ones? I have in the ones 9. How many in the ones? I have in the ones 1. 9 is greater than 1, so I can subtract 1 from 9. Yes, 9 minus 1 equals 8. So we don't need to regroup. 9 minus 1 equals 8. And then we changed any tense? No, the same tense. The same tense. Here in the ones I have 0 and here I have 4. Can I subtract 0 minus 4? No, I can't subtract 0 minus 4. Why? Again, 0 is lesser than 4. The first number you are subtracting from must be greater than the subtracted number. Okay, so here 0 minus 4, it can't be. So I will cross 1 10. Now I have 5 in the tens because I will regroup 1 10 and make it 10 ones. Now I have 10 in the ones. Okay, and instead of 0, I have 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. So here we did regrouping. Yes, we did, because 0 is lesser than 4. 24 minus 9, look at the ones. Here I have 4, here I have 9. Can I subtract 9 from 4? Can I say 4 minus 9? No. I said before many times in subtraction, you must start with the greater number. So here what you will do, I will regroup 1 10, I will make it 10 ones. 2 will become 1, and then 4, I have 10 more in the ones, so now I have 14 in the ones. 14 minus 9 equals 5. So the answer is 15. We did regrouping? Yes, we did regrouping. Why? Why we did regrouping? Because 4 is less than 9. And in subtraction, we can't start with the lesser number. We must start with the greater number. So we regrouped 1 10, 4 10 ones. 75 minus 3. Look at the ones. 5, 3. Can I say 5 minus 3? Yes, 5 is greater than 3. So no need to regroup in this case because 5 is greater than 3. So here 5 minus 3 is 2. And we didn't exchange any of the tens, so the same number of the tens. 43 minus 5. Can I say 43 minus 5? No, look at the ones here. Here I have 3 and here I have 5. So 3 is less than 5. I can't subtract 3 minus 5. 3 is lesser. And in subtraction, we must start with the greater number. So what you will do, I will do regrouping. I will do regrouping. From where you regroup? From the tens. I will regroup 1 10. So now the tens becomes 1 less. So 3. Now the 1 10 equals 10 ones. So here I have 13 in the ones minus 5. The answer is 38. Okay? I ask you which one-digit numbers can you subtract from 74 without first regrouping? So all the numbers must be lesser than 4 or equal. How? Because we don't need to regroup. So 4 must be greater or the same. So if I will subtract 0, I can, because 4 is greater than 0. Can I subtract 1? Yes, 4 is greater than 1. Can I subtract 2? Yes, 4 is greater than 2. Can I subtract 3? Yes, 4 is greater than 3. Can I subtract 4? Yes, 4 minus 4 equals 0. So the other one-digit numbers have more 1 than 4. ones in the 74. So we need to regroup. That's why we will not use them. So we'll stop at 4. Because if you will say 5, 5 is greater than 4, then we need to regroup. And here we want to know only the numbers that no need for regrouping. So again, which one-digit numbers can you subtract from 74? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only. If you will write 5, wrong. Why? Because 4 is lesser than 5. Is lesser than 5. Turn the page. There are 21 snails in a garden. 6 snails live. Underline the keyword, live. How many snails are still in the garden? When I have the word leave, they left, leave, flew away, I lost. All of this subtraction. So in subtraction, we'll start with the whole, 21, minus the part I know, 6 snails leave, equals. Do we need to regroup? Yes. Why? 1 is lesser than 6. I can't say 1 minus 6. So what do you need? I need to regroup 1 10 to make it 10 ones. So here regroup 1 10, 1 left in the tens, and then the ones now becomes 11 because I regroup 1 10. I made it 10 ones. So 11 minus 6 equals 15. Regrouping. I regroup 1 10. I make it 10 ones. 10 ones. So the answer is how many snails? 15 snails. Kate has 45 marbles. She gives 3 marbles to her brother. How many marbles does Kate have now? Again, when I say the word give, okay? So we will do subtraction. I lost some. What is the equation? Start with a greater number, 45. The whole minus the part she gave minus 3 equals. Can I say 5 minus 3? Yes, 5 is greater than 3, so no need to regrouping. 5 minus 3 equals 2. I did any change in 4? No, we didn't regroup, so 4 is the same. No change. No need to regroup because 5 here is greater than 3. So the answer is 42. Number 14. Sammy has 9 fewer rings than Emilio. Sammy has 7 more rings than Sarah. Emilio has 34 rings. Complete the sentence below. Draw a picture to explain your work. Okay, so what do you know about Sarah's ring? She has 7 fewer than Sammy. She has 7 fewer than Sammy. About Sarah, she has, yes, she has 7 fewer than Sammy. So Sammy has how many? Sammy has 7 fewer, so it will be, okay, as we said, Sammy has 9 fewer rings than Emilio. So Emilio, she has 34. Emilio, underline it, please. Emilio has 34. So Emilio has 34. Okay? Then Sammy has 9 fewer. Sammy has 9 fewer. So here 34, 9 fewer, so minus 9. 34 minus 9. Can I say 4 take away 9? No, we need to regroup. From where? We will regroup 1 10, so the tens becomes 2. And now in the ones, it becomes 14. I regroup 1 10 to make 14 ones. 14 minus 9 equals 5. So Sami has how many? Sami has 25. Okay, Sami has 25. Then Sarah, where Sami has 7 more rings than Sarah. So Sarah has 7 fewer. Sarah has 7 fewer. So 25, Sami got 25 already. 25. And Sarah has how many fewer? Sarah has 7 fewer. Can I say 5? Take away 7? No, 5 is lesser than 7. So what you will do, you will regroup 1 10. So now I have only one left from the tens. And then the ones becomes 15 because I regroup 1 10 to make it 10 ones. 15 take away 7 equals 18. Equals 18. So now Sarah has how many? Sarah has 18. Because Sami, he had 25. And Sarah has, as we said, Sarah has 7 fewer. So 18. Okay? So one more time. Sami has 9 fewer rings than Emilio. Emilio has already 34. And Sami has 9 fewer. So 34 minus 9, we got the answer 25. Then, here for Sami, he has 7 more than Sarah. So Sarah has 7 fewer. Okay, so 25 minus 7 equals 18. Okay, Malcolm has 38 seeds. Joan has 4 fewer than Malcolm. Joan gives 8 seeds to his friend. How many seeds does Joan have now? So first, Joan has how many? Joan has 34. Why? Why Joan has 34? Again, underline the information in the story. Malcolm has how many? 38. Joan has 4 fewer. So Joan has 4 fewer. When I see the word fewer, I will do subtraction. So 38 minus 4 equals 34 minus 38 minus 4. Yes, you're right, 34. So now we know that Joan has 34. And then what happened? Joan gave her friend 8. Gave. Joan already, he has 34. Yes? He gave her friend 8. So when I see the word gave, minus. So 34 minus 8 equals, again, can I say 4 take away 8? Can I subtract 8 from 4? No. So what you will do, I will regroup 1 10 and make it 10 ones. So now instead of 3 in the tens, I have 2 in the tens. And here 4, I have 14 because I regrouped 1 10, I made it 10 ones. So 4 and 10 ones from the 10, I regrouped 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. So here the answer is 6. 26. Okay, so the answer is 26. One more time. Again, Malcolm has 38 seats. He has 38. Joan has 4 fewer. When I see the word fewer, I will do subtraction. So 38 minus 4, so Joan has 34. Then, Joan has 34, you agree? Okay. Joan gives 8 seeds to his friend. When I see the word give, means subtraction. So I will subtract 34 minus 8, he gave 8. How many left? I can't do subtraction for subtract 4 minus 8. I need to regroup. From where you regroup, I will regroup 1 10 and I will make it 10 ones. So now 3 becomes 2 because I took 1 10, I regrouped it into 10 once. Now instead of 4, I have 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. So the answer is 26. Regarding number 14, let me explain it for the last time. Sammy has 9 fewer rings than Emilio. So we know that Sammy has 9 fewer than Emilio. Do we know from the problem here, Emilio has how many? So we will subtract 9 to get how many Sammy has? Yes, we know that Emilio has 34 rings. We will subtract because here it's written 9 fewer. So 34 minus 9 equals 25. Okay, so now we know that Sammy has 25. Sammy has 7 more rings than Sarah. If you will just start with Sarah, so Sarah has 7 fewer. When I say the word fewer, I will do minus. So 25 minus 7, 7 fewer. Another boy or another student, she or he will say, I will ask myself, here Sammy has 7 more than Sarah. So Sarah, she has a number plus 7 more, 7 more equals 25. So Sarah has how many? Sarah has 25 minus 7 equals 18. Okay, clear? Thank you. Have a nice day. Do your homework. Send me via WhatsApp. Thank you. Salam alaikum.